Mike was a partner at a small accounting firm. One Friday night, he left his phone at a bar. By Monday morning, someone had used it to access the firm's cloud storage, their client files, their tax returns, everything. No BYD policy meant no remote wipe, no mandatory encryption, no separation between personal and work data.
Why didn't we have a policy?
The firm lost 3 clients before the dust settled. One missing phone, $85,000 in damages. And one question the partners couldn't answer. Why didn't we have a policy? Are you protected? The Small Business IT Policy Starter Kit. 7 policies, 2 checklists. Instant download. Link in bio.